Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can redirect your non-www URLs on WordPress into the www version. So let's get right into it. Now, I myself do not have the needed tools to access this. For this, you need to edit the htaccess file, which I cannot. You need plugins, which I can't access because I'm on the free version of WordPress. Now, I will be showing you guys this step-by-step guide, which should show you everything you need to know. So to start, as I mentioned, you do need to edit the htaccess file. You can edit this through any SEO plugin or any plugin that allows you to. I'm not really sure which specific plugins exist. I do know Rank Math, which is the plugin I'm using the guide for, works, and you can use that, or you can just research yourself and find the one that you like the most. You can also edit it through any other means that you know of, so all that's needed is to access the htaccess file. So once you access the file and begin editing it, you need to add the redirection rule. Now, Rank Math specifically asks you to click that you understand the risks of editing this file. Other plugins might not, but once you do, you just need to add the code after the end. After the hashtag and WordPress, there you need to add this here snippet of code, and once you add this, just click Save Changes, and then you'll be good to go. You should use an htaccess tool to test it if you have it. If not, you might be able to just test it yourself by just visiting the site. But other than that, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.